Hello, it's me, Aman Advani, third year MBBS student. So, during the gynae ward, we have actually topic for the understanding the instruments, the surgical instruments for the ops and the gynae. So, for the C-section, we have the first instrument that can be used is the knife holder. This is a knife holder. And the second instrument we use for the C-section is the tooth dissecting forceps. This is a tooth dissecting. So for the forceps, we have the three types of actually forceps. We have the tooth. It has some knot-like structure because according to teachers, we cannot use this for the soft tissues like for the intestine and all that because it can hurt to the tissues and can cause bleeding and all that. So we use for the small tissues or the small intestine is a plain forceps. So this is a plain. It is not knot or the tooth-like structure present in it, right? So then we have the third one is the diathermy forceps. This is a diathermy. This is also used in the C-section for the portrait or we use the pencil we use for the just burn the tissue during the surgery, right? So the fifth one is we have the Allen's tissue forceps. We use to just take the tissue present in the body or during the surgery or the C-section. So this is a Allen's tissue. Then we have the green Armitage. This is the green Armitage. You can see, you can watch it. The green Armitage. Then we have a tenaculum forceps 10th inch. This is a tenaculum. This is a just a single straight notch. So the next we have is a tenaculum forceps 10th inch, right? This is a tenaculum. So then we have the straight dissecting scissor. This is a straight. So we have a, why we are calling it straight? जो इसकी आगे वाली सी है वो सीधी है. You can look like this is straight. और दूसरी जो होती है that is a curved scissor. Because in the surgery we mostly use this one and that also, but we use this mostly for the C-section, right? So this is a curved scissor. Then we have the towel killer. This is a towel killer. जो जैसे जैसे सर्जरी में कपड़ा तंग करता है तो हम उसको ये लगाकर छोड़ देते हैं जिससे वो वापस यूज फॉर द क्लिप टॉवल. दिस क्लिप टॉवल. So we have the sponge holder. We know that we actually use the gauge. उसको हम पकड़ के we iodine में dip करके we also use for the cleaning purposes. So this is a sponge holder. So then we have the Gallipot for the iodine or any saline solution we can put into it. Then we have the kidney dish for the wastage of the during the gas we can use it, we put into it for the wastage purposes, right? Then we have the retractor. This is known as the lagging back retractor. During surgery we use to retract it for the जैसे कोई बीच में वो चीज़ ना आए and we go smoothly into the surgery. Then we have the needle holder. This is a needle holder जो हम surgery में during stitching में भी काम आते हैं. This is a needle holder and you can look at it. The last one, so the last instrument we use for a C-section mostly is a Doyne's retractor. This is mostly used to retract the bladder. You use to retract the bladder during the hysterectomy or the C-section. That's all. Thank you so much for watching this.